And then this is really where the problem is, because it felt like it was on the right side. Look at all this shit in here. Just crap everywhere. Hey there, welcome back to Southern Iowa Luddite. Got a really quick, short, very informative troubleshooting video for maintenance on a car. So we've got a 2020 XT6 Cadillac. About 65,000 miles on this vehicle. It's a spectacular car. Shout out to Cadillac. They really built a good one here. This car runs beautifully. It's so smooth. Have no complaints about it so far. It gets really good maintenance, and today was oil change day, but circumstantially, we were driving this recently, and we noticed a shimmy starting to develop. And as y'all know, shimmies are usually related to tie rods, alignment problems, maybe an out of balance tire, and then in worst case, you might have a transmission drivetrain issue. But I pulled the front wheel here, jacked the car up. Another thing about jacking up these cars, it's really hard on these modern cars to find out the jack stand points. Just FYI, so take some time because there's a lot of stuff that you can break underneath there. But anyway, I got looking at this, and I noticed that this had just developed a couple days ago, and I pulled it off, and you can see the tie rod's fine, there's no play, there's nothing going on here, so the suspension is just fine. But then I noticed when I was brushing this away, there was like a whole bunch, don't know if you can see this, a whole bunch of like tar and sand underneath there. And I remembered, because we live in District 12 here in Southern Iowa, away from the tribute-sucking capital of Des Moines, 2 nights ago, they started making a new paved road where we live, and we don't get concrete like the rest of Iowa. We get that crap sand, tar, chip shit. And I turned the tires around, and look at this. This is the right front tire. See all that crap in there? That's just stuck on sand from that bullshit that they make us drive on. And then this is really where the problem is, because it felt like it was on the right side. Look at all this shit in here. Just crap everywhere. Just gonna take a while to scrape all that out. And then if you look a little closer, there's a bunch underneath here also. So I'll have to check underneath, look in the engine. It's everywhere. This is going to need a serious power washing. Have to do it for the back wheels also. But yeah, sometimes it's just the simple stuff that you don't expect, like your government not making good roads for you to drive on. And so then you got to troubleshoot and figure out that you got a bunch of tar and sand stuck on the inside of your vehicle that you pay premium road tax for here in Southern Iowa. So that's it. So when you're looking to solve something, sometimes you got to think out of the box. Sometimes it's really simple. You don't need to take it to the local mechanic. And as always, get it done with what you got. See ya.